This video will cover Module 16. Module 16 is the last module for the class. It will also be open with Module 15 so that you have plenty of time to complete these assignments. Module 16 is due on a Thursday, so it is our shortest module for the class. The reason it's due on Thursday is that all classes at Allen will close on Friday, and I want to make sure that I have time to grade your assignments, but that I also have time to figure out any issues that might have occurred when you submit your Module 16 assignments. So we do have an extra day of cushion there to make sure that everything gets done on time for the semester, and then I can accommodate any problems that students are having with the class. So the last module here only has 2 assignments in it, and they are not hard. They are supposed to be just final review type assignments where you get to reflect on the semester. So I've opened it at the same time as Module 15, so if you want to finish them early, you're more than welcome to get them done even before finals week. So I'm going to just go through what we're working on and show you what to expect. So we've got 2 assignments, the final review quiz and then the final reflection essay. The final review quiz is just an overview of stuff that you've gotten this semester. And so before you take this quiz, make sure that you look over the final review readings. All of these readings are ones that we did this semester for quizzes that you have already taken. And so what you want to do then is go back through this information, kind of skim over it, make sure that you remember what we were learning in that section, and then go ahead and take the quiz. Now the quiz pulls from the pools of all of the quizzes that you took. So you will be getting, it's a big selection of questions, and so you can take this one multiple times. However, you will get new questions each time, and so you may want to do some review before you try taking the quiz if you're wanting to score a high score. So there are 20 points for this quiz, 20 questions, a little bit longer than some of our other quizzes. And so just kind of be prepared for that. But you can take this one as many times as you want to, and this sort of counts as our final, if you will, final test. So the other thing that you're going to be doing is a final reflection essay. So you have done this twice now. The very beginning of the semester, you sent a reflection email to me, or a beginning semester kind of look at what your goals were for the class. We also did a midpoint reflection, and you answered some questions for that, and now we're doing the final reflection. This reflection, as opposed to like a bulleted list of answers, I want you to actually write it out in essay form. And the reason is because this will give you more developed answers, and also because this is the final, you have a lot more stuff to write about. So I want you to write out in essay form at least 3 paragraphs answering these questions. So what aspects of your writing have you improved on? What do you still need to work on? Looking back at your goals for the class, did you meet them? Would you have changed anything that you did as you went through the class? Which essay did you like the best, or did you feel that you did the best on? What did you learn from doing the revision assignment? Because often students learn something about their own writing once they're forced to go back and really look at the sentences that they have problems with. And then what is the most important aspect of the class that you will use in the future? They will look like an essay when you're done. So I want you to format it like an essay as you type it, and then obviously you'll submit it. When I grade it, I don't use a grading rubric for this. I go through and I just make sure that you've answered the questions, and if you did, you get your points. The only time students tend to lose points on this assignment is if they do it as a bulleted list, and instead of writing it out in paragraphs, or if it is illegible, like the grammar and punctuation is just so horrible, I cannot tell what students are trying to write. So make sure that you proofread it, do your spell check, that kind of thing, so that I know that you at least made an attempt to correct things before you turn it in. Otherwise, that's the assignment. It's fairly simple. I'm just looking for 3 paragraphs reflecting on the semester, so it shouldn't take you terribly long to write. That is the last assignment for the class. So if you have any questions or any issues with it, make sure that you email me right away. Like I said, we are ending on a Thursday. That is the last chance to turn things in. And basically Friday being the last day of classes, I can't accept work after that point. And so you need to make sure that you're on top of these last two modules and that you are getting prepared to turn on all that work on time. So if you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, I hope that you have a wonderful holiday break, and good luck next